again, you find that you look at things like purchase of fertilizer is still being done by the national government. And we have been saying that some of these funds are funds that should come to the counties, so the counties purchase the fertilizer they want because they know the type of fertilizer, the type of soils that we're dealing with. Because they have been talking about the economies of scale, that if you buy them, if you buy bulk, it becomes cheaper. But again, I think a mechanism needs to be looked at so that what is devolved actually goes to the devolved functions. But otherwise,
Lusaka aliongeza kuwa iwapo mfumo wa ugatuzi utaendelea kuimarishwa kwa miaka 20 hadi 30 ijayo, nchi itakuwa imepinga hatua kubwa zaidi na maendeleo katika sekta mbalimbali.
And I can tell the story where we started, where we were, and where we are today moving forward. I believe that if devolution is implemented to the letter, 20-30 years from today, this country will be completely changed. It will be completely developed because the areas that have seen tarmac for the first time, the areas that have seen health facilities improve, like first Syrian was done in Wajir during this devolution. There are things that people can now be able to talk about, like I was telling you, but public participation in, say, budget making. That's a very big step. In the past, an assistant minister was sacked for leaking the budget. It was so mysterious. You look at that briefcase carrying the budget, and it looked very mysterious, like everybody was curious to know what is there. These days, people participate. People know that we have put 100 million in this project, we are putting this, and they're saying, no, that's not our priority during public participation meetings. And when we improve, even with public participation, then devolution will be the game changer for this country.
Aidha, gavana huyo aliwahimiza viongozi pamoja na wananchi kuendelea kuunga mkono ugatuzi, akisema ndio msingi wa maendeleo ya maeneo ya mashinani. Nikiripoti moja kwa moja kutoka kaunti ya Bungoma, jina langu ni Rose Mwende.